Oh good, you're here. Welcome. I've been waiting for someone with a keen ear and an open mind. Listen carefully. Every clock here tells a story. But this one is special. The clock doesn't just tell time, it tells your time. The moments you've forgotten, the seconds you've lost, and the ones that are yet to come. Close your eyes for a moment. Let the ticking fill your mind. Now listen closely. Hear the soft hum of the past. The echoes of laughter. The footsteps of people long gone. They're here, inside the ticking of this clock, just waiting for you to find them. Now listen to the present. The moments that slip by unnoticed. The things that matter right now. The turning of the hands. The breath of time as it moves forward. And then, listen to what is yet to come. The future. Like a distant whisper, only just within reach. The promise of new beginnings, the unknown paths ahead. This clock doesn't just show the passing of time, it shows your journey, the moments you've experienced, the ones you're yet to face. Each tick is another step closer to the inevitable. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Time is bending, pulling us into itself. Close your eyes. Listen. Feel. Time will guide you. But beware, it may just lead you somewhere unexpected.